On August 21, 2017, people across the United States will see the sun disappear behind the moon, turning daylight into twilight, causing the temperature drop rapidly and revealing massive streamers of light streaking through the sky around the silhouette of the moon. On that day, America will fall under the path of a total solar eclipse. The so-called Great American Total Solar Eclipse will darken skies all the way from Oregon to South Carolina, along a stretch of land about 70 miles (113 kilometers) wide. People who descend upon this path of totality for the big event are in for an unforgettable experience. What is a total solar eclipse? A total solar eclipse occurs when the disk of the moon appears to completely cover the disk of the sun in the sky. The fact that total solar eclipses occur at all is a quirk of cosmic geometry. The moon orbits an average of 239,000 miles, 385,000 kilometers, from Earth, just the right distance to seem the same size in the sky as the much larger sun. However, these heavenly bodies line up only about once every 18 months. Outside the path of totality, skywatchers in the continental US and other nearby areas will see a partial solar eclipse, in which the moon appears to take a bite out of the sun's disk. 2 to 5 solar eclipses occur each year on average, but total solar eclipses happen just once every 18 months or so. What will I see during a total solar eclipse? During a total solar eclipse, the disk of the moon blocks out the last sliver of light from the sun, and the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, becomes visible. The corona is far from an indistinct haze. Skywatchers report seeing great jets and ribbons of light, twisting and curling out into the sky. It brings people to tears. Rick Fenberg, a spokesperson for the American Astronomical Society, AAS, told Space.com of the experience. It makes people's jaw drop. During totality, the area inside the moon's shadow is cloaked in twilight, a very strange feeling to experience in the middle of the day. Just before and just after totality, observers can see this cloak of darkness moving toward them across the landscape, and then moving away. These effects are not visible during a partial solar eclipse, so skywatchers are encouraged to see if they are inside the path of totality during the total eclipse. From what locations will the total solar eclipse be visible? The path of totality for the August 21, 2017, total solar eclipse is about 70 miles wide and stretches from Oregon to South Carolina. It passes through Idaho, Wyoming, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. You can use this interactive map from NASA to zoom in on the path and find out the exact locations from which it will be visible. You can also check out the state-by-state guide from the web to find out which major cities and prime locations will fall inside the path of totality. You may also want to attend one of the many eclipse parties and organized events taking place around the path of totality. Do I need any equipment to view the eclipse? Anyone planning to view the total solar eclipse of 2017 should get a pair of solar viewing glasses. These protective shades make it possible for observers to look directly at the sun before and after totality. The following 4 companies sell eclipse glasses that meet the international standard, ISO 12312-2, recommended by NASA, the IAS and other scientific organizations, Rainbow Symphony, American Paper Optics, Thousand Oaks Optical and TSE-17. Sunglasses cannot be used in place of solar viewing glasses.